Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a theme file in Shopify. Alright, let's begin. From the Shopify homepage, go to the left sidebar and click on Online Store. This is where you manage how your store looks to customers. Once inside, scroll to the Theme Library section. Here, you'll see your current active theme along with any other themes you've added before. To upload a new theme, click on the Add Theme button. From the options that appear, select Upload Zip File. Shopify only accepts theme files in zip format, so make sure your theme file is saved correctly. Next, locate the zip file on your computer, select it, and click Upload. The upload time will depend on your file size and internet speed, so give it a moment to process. After the upload is finished, the new theme will appear in your theme library. It won't be active yet, so you can preview it, customize it, and make changes before publishing. So that's basically how you can upload a theme file in Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.